For the channel. Look at all this rain. This rain is insane. I mean, like, the roads are all wet. Everything's all wet, but not me. Because I'm a redhead, guys. Boom. Boom. Yeah. So you can see me. You can go look. You can't. Actually, I'm not supposed to. Because I'm dropping this rain. The rain is insane. If you look up, the clouds are pretty dark. If I get a side view, the roads are literally flooded. The roads of my house. The driveway is flooded too. This is insane, guys. I mean, like, this is insane. I mean, like, TV is not working right now. There's Teddy. I made a video on him. It's a sad video, but he's okay. I mean, I had to pick him up, but then he fell off here. He fell off there. Landed right here. Rolled off here. Landed right there. Walked over here. Fell. Started getting unconscious. Then he died. Yeah. That's how the video went. I was almost gonna cry too when I saw it. I mean, like, if I cried, I'd probably be like, I would probably do the try not to cry challenge. I'll do that soon, guys. Right now, I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'll have to fix up Teddy. Hey, wait, you? Can you help fix up Teddy? Yeah, I can. Hold on.